大家好，我係阿木，歡迎返到嚟無端端廣東話。今日我哋會繼續講分享3，我係香港人。今日係第4部分 Part 4，我哋會認字 Recognizing Character。認字之前，我哋做少少溫習。今日我哋會做重組句子 Rearranging Sentences。 Let's start。 第一題，跟我讀一次，係日本佢人，係 verb to be right。 日本，咩係日本啊？ Japan, very good。 佢 he, she, it, right？ 人 the original meaning is present, right? But if we say place and then plus 人, it means the place that somebody comes from, right? In this sentence, it should be follows the place. So here, the subject will be 佢, right? And then the verb 係 verb to be, right? Is. And then the place 日本人, right? 佢係日本人。跟我讀一次，佢係日本人。What does this sentence mean? It means he is Japanese or she is Japanese。 第二題，跟我讀一次嘅廣東話堂，香港人助教唔係。 What is the meanings of 嘅？ It is apostrophe s, right? The element before 嘅 is used to modifying the elements after 嘅。廣東話堂 easy, right? Because you are now having the Cantonese lesson as well. So 廣東話堂 is Cantonese lesson. 香港人 the place and then is followed by 人. It means Hong Kongers. 助教 Do you still remember what is 助教? It means TA, teaching assistant. 唔係 is negation, right? 唔係 means it's not, right? So, how to make this sentence? It should be something is not something, right? Something is not something, or someone is not someone. So, it should be 廣東話堂嘅助教，the teaching assistant of the Cantonese lessons. It's not 唔係香港人 Hong Kongers。 跟我讀一次，廣東話堂嘅助教唔係香港人。The teaching assistant of the Cantonese lessons is not a Hong Kongers。 得唔得？第三題，唔係英國人，係阿里and then question mark. This is a question. 唔係 is not, right? 英國人 British 係 is 阿里 the name, right? Sentence final particles. Usually we will use the sentence final particles in a yes-no questions, which means we will use aim-A structure here. So how to form this aim-A structure? We will say the positive and the negative, right? So it should be 係唔係. So this one, we form a phrase first. 係唔係? Yes, no questions. And then there's two options only, right? The first one is 阿里係唔係英國人? The second one is 英國人係唔係阿里? In fact, both of them are syntactically correct. However, semantically, only 阿里係唔係英國人 is acceptable. 跟我讀一次，阿里係唔係英國人啊? Is it true that Ali is a British? Okay. 第四題，跟我讀一次，喺 Okay, this is rising tone. 喺香港指盡 Among these three words, two of them are noun. 香港 it is Hong Kong. 指盡 is a name, right? 喺 is a verb. So very easy. 指盡喺香港. But what does it mean? Do you still remember there's two meanings of 喺? And they are actually very similar. The first one, it serves as a verb. It means to be, in, on, at, followed by a place. The second one, it is a preposition. It means in, on, at, a place, or time. They are similar, right? Very good. So, 指盡喺香港 it means 指盡 is in Hong Kong. Okay? 第五題，係唔係金陵喺泰國嚟㗎? Okay? 係唔係? If this is a yes-no question, we will say, is it true that... right? 金陵 name, right? 喺泰國means in Thailand. But we see another verb here, which is 嚟 means to come. Do you still remember the phrase? 喺 a place, 嚟 it means to come from. These two must come together. 喺泰國嚟 come from Thailand or came from Thailand. 金陵係唔係喺泰國嚟㗎? This 㗎 you can say it is a habitual event, factual event, but here we focus on the past events, right? Because 金陵 is no longer in Thailand anymore, the action of come is happened in past, right? 跟我讀一次，金陵係唔係喺泰國嚟㗎? Is it true that 金陵 come from Thailand? 第六題，美國喺都我嚟係㗎. Oh, there's a lot of verbs here, right? There's three verbs here. But try to look into the meanings of each word. 美國 USA, right? 喺 So, we see a lot of verb here. So, it should be a preposition, right? So, in, on, at. 都 also, right? 我 I 嚟 to come 係 to be, right? 㗎 sentence final particles. So in this sentence, can you guess the meanings? It should be there is a presupposition that somebody told you, I came from America. And then you answered, I also come from America. So it should be the subject first, I, right? 我. So adverbs usually before the verb, right? 都 and then 係 and then come from 喺美國嚟㗎我都係喺美國嚟㗎 If you just say that I came from USA, you can say 我喺美國嚟㗎 But I also came from USA. Then we will add 都係 before 喺美國嚟跟我讀一次我都係喺美國嚟㗎 I also came from USA 得唔得？今日我哋會認字 We will try to recognize some character Just like what I have said in the last two sharing If you are not interested in learning how to write Cantonese or Chinese character, you can skip this part. No worry, okay? And here, I will try to write character stroke by stroke with you so that you will know how to write it. Starting from sharing 3, we have more vocabulary. Each character, I will write just one. If you would like to write it again, you can watch the videos again. Okay? Let's start. 第一個香港 What is the meaning of 香港? It means Hong Kong, right? Hong Kong. So the Jyutping of 香 is H-O-E-N-G first tone. How to write it? 撇橫直撇捺直橫直橫橫香港 G-O-N-G second tone 點點剔橫直直橫 Be careful, this horizontal stroke should be longer than the previous one 撇捺橫直橫直彎勾得唔得 OK 第二個韓國韓國 is Korea 韓粵拼係 H-O-N tone 4橫直直橫直橫橫橫直直橫折橫直橫直橫橫撇橫直國 G-W-O-K 3 the third tone 直橫直橫直橫直橫剔斜勾撇點橫 When you meet this radical, a large mouth, usually we will write these 3 sides first, and then write the components inside this big mouth. Lastly, we close the mouth. But in fact, actually it is not a mouth, but easier for you to remember, okay? 第三個印度印度點解啊 India, right? 印 J-A-N third tone 撇直橫剔橫折勾直 OK 道 D-O-U 6點橫撇橫直直橫橫撇捺 OK 日本係 Japan 日 J-A-T sixth tone 日 easy right 直橫直 Wang, Wang. Be careful. Yat is thinner because there is a character which very similar to yat, which is thicker, like this. This one is an ancient Chinese character. Which means said, means somebody said something. Okay. But now we seldom use it. Okay. Bun, B-U-N, second tone. Wang, Zek, P, Nat, Wang. Bun. 英國, 英國 means the UK, right? 英, J-I-N-G, first tone. This one is a glass vertical, 草花頭. Wang Zek, Wang Zek. But this vertical stroke is a bit tilted. Zek, Wang Zek, Wang. P, điểm. Guok, G-W-O-K, third tone. Zek, Wang Zek, Wang. Zek, Wang Zek, Wang. Thích, 斜勾, P, điểm, Wang. Okay? 美國 USA, right? 美 M-E-I tone 5. 點點 Wang Wang Zek Wang. And then this horizontal stroke longer. Wang P 點 Guok G-W-O-K third tone. Zek Wang Zek Wang Zek Wang Zek Wang. Thích, 斜勾 P 點 Wang. Okay, 泰國 is Thailand. Thai, T-A-A-I, the third tone. Wang, Wang, Wang. 3 horizontal stroke, right? The first one is in a middle length. The middle one in a shorter length. And then the last one, longest, okay? 跟住撇捺直勾點剔點點 okay? 國 G-W-O-K third tone. 直橫直橫直橫直橫剔斜勾撇點橫 Next one, 台灣 Taiwan. T-O-I-4 台撇橫點直橫直橫 This one, this part is actually larger than this part, okay? You will see, okay? It is covers the mouth, okay? But in fact, the character toy has another variation, which is a bit difficult, but you may also will see it, which is like this. Wang, zek, wang. Zek, wang, zek, wang. Zek, wang, zit. Wang,撇橫點橫直橫得唔得？彎 W-A-A-N 同橫點樣寫啊？點點剔 and then 點橫橫橫直橫直橫撇剔撇剔點點點點撇剔撇剔點點點點橫折橫直折橫彎勾得唔得？中國 is China. So 中 is that U-N-G the first tone. 直橫直橫直國 GWOK the third tone 直橫直橫直橫直橫剔斜勾撇點橫得唔得？人 it means person and if it is a place plus 人 it becomes people come from a place, right? So we can say is or are, right? 人 JAN fourth tone 撇捺得唔得？係 If this is a verb, it means to be in, on, at. If this is a preposition, it means in, on, at. 係 rising tone HAI tone 2. This is a Cantonese character, so it is mouth radical 直橫直橫 and then a human 撇直撇撇剔撇剔點直勾點點 Last one 嚟 or 嚟 it means to come LAI 4 it read as 嚟 or you can also say LEI 4 嚟 This is also a Cantonese character, so mouth radical 直橫直橫撇橫直撇點撇橫彎勾撇撇捺直勾點剔點點得唔得？今日講完啦，下次見，記得 like、comment、share 啊，拜拜。